everyone, it is Mona here at Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it is another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to be doing another alcohol ink coaster. Somebody had suggested I use fewer colors as compared to the last one. So I'm going to do that, and maybe next time I'll do even fewer and just kind of see how it progresses with the number of colors. I thought I would try something a little bit different for the background this time. I'm going to be using the Fast Cast again, which is the fast curing resin that cures white. So I'm going to use a combo of paints. I'm going to use black, like a metallic black and a metallic plum, and then I have just a basic black. And all I'm going to do is just dot it on the mold. And then up the edges as well. But you don't have to go all the way up. Now I'm just going to let it dry, and probably it will pull apart in certain spots, and you can either touch it up or you can just let it be and have little spots of the white coaster show through. Either way is fine. So now I'm going to just take a little bit of pigment powder, and wherever there's a hole, I'm just going to brush over it. Now I'm going to pour some of the quick curing resin right in here. And we're going to let that just sit and cure. And then we'll come back. I'm going to do blue, pink, and yellow, and white. So I'm just going to start by dropping a bunch of white all over the place. And then I'll be a little bit more conservative with my colors. Look at the cool colors already. Now I'm just going to swirl it around. And I'll add white just to keep things a little bit lighter. And now we're going to just let this dry, but I do like the way the colors are coming together. Once the alcohol ink is dried, we can pop it right out of the mold. There it is so far without the protective coat on it. And then here's the back where I did the acrylic paint and the purple paint and a little bit of the purple pigment powder. So that looks pretty neat. The alcohol ink is dried. So now I have some resin mix, and I'm just going to pour it right on. And I'm going to move it right to the edges. And I'm going to take my lighter, pop the bubbles. I'll come back and do that a couple times, and then I'll let it sit a minimum of 12 hours so it can cure before I handle it. Here's the coaster all finished. It looks so pretty with the shiny finish, and you could coordinate your colors with any decor. Again, here's the back and the sides where you can see the paint has adhered to the resin. You can't scrape it off. So now it's all become one. And it would look very pretty sitting on your living room table. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed the alcohol ink coaster project, and I hope you give it a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.